Welcome to the Farmsense Ripener tutorial video. This video has been created to provide a brief introduction on the Ripener application to assist you in interacting with the system. The Ripener solution was designed to manage the end-to-end Ripener application process for sugarcane, as shown in the diagram. The system reads the Ripener schedule from CanePro and generates a Ripener info pack that is emailed to farmers on a weekly basis. The info pack has a list of recommended fields for ripening within the next 3 weeks. Ripener orders placed by farmers are assigned to a Ripener contractor for spraying. Completed orders are uploaded to the system and actual application dates written back to CanePro. Mill Group Board and cane supply officers monitor the process through interactive reports generated by the system. Now we will move on to the Ripener tutorial. In order to ensure that all the features of the Farmsense app are working, make sure that you have the Chrome browser installed on your computer, and in order to ensure that all elements are displayed properly on the screen, please zoom out to 80% on the zoom level. To zoom out to 80%, hold down the control button on your keyboard and scroll down with your mouse. Each week you will get Ripener recommendations emailed to you. The email contains 2 links. The first link opens the Ripener order form as a new tab in your browser, whereas the second link downloads the order form to your computer. This downloaded file can be accessed later in your downloads folder on your computer. For this tutorial, we will be using the View button. On the main page, the recommended fields will be highlighted in green. If you hover on a specific field, then that field will be highlighted on the map. You can also choose to add additional fields to the recommended list should you feel that they are ready to be sprayed. The checkboxes next to each field can be used to select multiple fields at once. You can select which fields you would like to be sprayed and view different information about the fields. The extra tabs provide you with additional information about each field. Currently, we are on the Ripener Info tab. The Pending Complete tab lists all fields that have been ordered, accepted, declined, and sprayed. Different order statuses have different colors. The Variety tab displays the variety of each fields. Additionally, you can find more information in the Harvested, Not Harvested, and Return tabs. Click on the Show All Recommended button to display only the recommended fields. Once you have selected which fields to order, click on the Order button. On this page, we need to ensure that we answer each question. First, we need to select our contractor from the drop-down list, then we can move on to the criteria. If all criteria are met, you can make use of the Select All button. Please take note that you will not be subsidized if all the criteria are not met. The planned spray date is provided by the CanePro Harvest plan, but you need to provide the planned dry-off dates. If you do have a purist test to upload, you first need to select the Yes button at the second question. This allows you to upload a purist test. Please note that if the recommended Ripener date or recommended Ripener product for the field is incorrect, then you will need to contact your cane supply officer. On the next page, you can highlight hazardous, sensitive, and seed cane areas on the map to ensure that no Ripener is sprayed on those areas. Hazardous areas are highlighted with a marker and a comment used to describe the hazard. Examples of hazards are trees and power lines that could be close to the field and could be in the way of the pilot's flight path. Hazards can be highlighted in 3 ways. The first option is a point. This is a dot that is placed on the map wherever you click. A comment is then added to describe the point. The second option is a line string. The line string is created by first clicking on the map once. A marker is then placed wherever you click, allowing you to cover an area of the map. When the desired area is completely highlighted, double click your mouse to stop placing markers on the map. You are now allowed to add the comments. The third option is a polygon. Polygons allow you to highlight whole areas by placing markers on the map, similar to a line string, but the polygon shape needs to be closed. Sensitive and secant areas only make use of the polygon geometry type to highlight areas. Sensitive areas are sensitive to the chemicals sprayed onto the sugarcane, such as houses and water sources. The next page displays the order summary, showing the fields to be sprayed, including the total area. Ensure that this is correct before you place your order. Once satisfied, click the Confirm checkbox and click Complete to place the order. The order is now sent to the contractor. After submitting your order, a pop-up will appear in the top right corner of the screen. If the pop-up is green, the submission was successful. If the pop-up is red, the order did not go through. Please resubmit your order in this case. Once the order is placed, you can check your order status by refreshing the data. The data can be refreshed by clicking on the hamburger menu in the top right corner and then clicking on Refresh Data. We have reached the end of this tutorial video. We hope that it was helpful and informative. Thank you for watching.